from the east south is here. This is how the stages are on the quick deck. Now, and those things is what we're cleaning on this bridge.
Yeah.
Through holes, beam clamps. You're not scared, man.
Huh?
They're not scared, eh?
No, they're not. It's safe, no?
Yeah. And that's how they're gonna go down, and all of these stages you've seen here, over 24 stages, bro. Just know. So one of my good friend, Crystal, you don't know, you see me? Good friend and co-worker, you know. Dirty people, that's it. So we got one guy, we just take picture all the day. You know, and we got the other rest of guy them, we just working and go, you know. Day 2 of the craziness. You good? This guy, this man climbed all the way up from the stage. Yo, some things I would have never do, brother, without this stage. We just give them access to go there. They didn't even need our access. Watch, he just gonna take off him thing there so without give a shit. Oh, he tied off first. Good. Smart guy. Tie up. Shit. On this section I go do one in there, I don't know. Yeah. Some sick ass job. I'm all the way up. Leave his brethren down there. Look at this guy. Look at him. Look at him. Oh shit. Flying that stage? Fuck that. I'm staying that shit, bro. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. And one little thing saving him, you know. See there right there, so. That man is 70 years old. I'm probably older. Jeez. I've never seen a guy come out the stage and leave it. Now he's gonna climb back down there. Hell, motherfucker. Yo, look what I'm looking at, bro.